You're good.
Just gotta.
What shot?
There is a
What, is that even possible?
like a 7-10 is luck, but like a 4-10
Right.
6-7.
The way to get like this one is like you just hit one of the pins really hard, right? And it just like ricochets.
Yeah. What are you doing? You're like waiting to bludgeon Matt. What are you doing?
He's just holding that thing.
And his name is Games!
And he always leaves one pin standing. Yeah.
Two head on.
Hey Rob, lean to the right. Lean to the right and then use your arm. Try and keep it straight. Buddy. I don't get anyone's good bowls. I only get their gutters.
Yes, we were bowling yesterday and nobody got a single.
Good luck. 5-6.
That's a scam.
Way better than I should have gotten.
Oh yeah.
Nice.
Here.
Oh. The man who always leaves one pin standing.
It did just graze it.
He pretty much did.
I think like by an atom
slow
you
walk
got
that.
that spare.
Oh!
It's literally been the epitome.
He's got it!
Oh, what a snipe! Downtown where the fix all come around.
Not downtown. I can assure you that. They all come here actually.
All the fix?
All the fix.
Do they actually?
Bowling league.
All your family does bowling league stuff?
A lot of them do.
That's funny.
Yeah.
You have to use wood.
Oh! Oh, buddy, bro, you can't be doing shit like that.
There you go.
Did he snipe it? Oh, he sniped it. All I had and fixed, tossed it in the trash. He tossed it in the trash. He did. All you love is all I ever.
Oh yeah. Oh no.
Split.
This. It looks like you're going like this.
He's not looking.
Keep it straight.
He's not looking. There you go.
Please, just bring it straight back.
Oh, that's on track.
Get left. Get left.
Oh, never mind.
Get a little left.
Oh, you got robbed.
I'm gonna go to the bathroom. I'll be back.
Get left.
I went at the same time as that guy, and then it like messed me up.
Bowling etiquette's important.
Let go too early. But I have no reason to. If I was in a league, I would do that.
I haven't been on Grindr in weeks.
They've spotted you at the bowling alley.
So that's like the scary thought.
You missed.
You're right.
Oh!
The guy's throwing the balls at the ceiling. Like, you just cut the cake in half.
My favorite.
Oh God. He actually just didn't like David.
Great shot.
Good split? Oh.
The sound was good.
The sound was good.
He hit somewhere close to the center of the face. Which is big. That's a big step. I don't do that. You ready for the spare?
Doesn't count.
Get there.
He was in the spot
It
too.
was in the spot. Something about
Did you win, son?
that's the whole thing. It's like
Yeah,
your ball should hit. This is why curving it is important. Your ball should hit 1.358.
And I'm like, yeah, dude, there's an error at free.
If you're on the left, it'd be 1.25.
He picks it up. He's like,
Okay.
oh,
Oh,
yeah.
1.258. Righty should hit
Dude, he's walking around with a
1.358.
He came to us, yeah. He came to he's selling candy.
What do you use? Dean has got a slight advantage.
It's different. So it drives the pins a lot.
Oh!
Dude, you bite into it and there's just coconut.
Almond joys are disgusting. I don't like coconut.
These are better than that. Come on.
I can get it.
I go.
If I thought I would have last year, I would say
I do like Butterfinger.
I would say B to A depending on my mood.
B? Come on.
I'm not ready to lose my 2 front teeth for that one.
All right, dude, you think I'm not.
That's
like the biggest scam.
7. Pretty good.
He gets all of them right here. For the sickest spare of his life. Check that out.
Dude,
Oh, shit. Dos Equis is Mexican though, right? Heineken's
Equis.
from the Netherlands.
Double X?
The Netherlands. But they are both in a green bottle. And that is what binds them in America. Oh, it comes with a lime?
No, it's because you guys start shit talking it.
Guys, today we're going to be doing a video review session.
Here, yeah, hold on. I'll get in front of the cam. We're trying Dos Equis. That's what you call it? Is that what Dos Equis means? Holy shit. It just occurred to me. That's wild.
You don't like it?
Spanish. No, I said it was Mexican.
Oh, I can see why you wouldn't like it.
I like Corona.
No, this is different. This
Oh,
does not taste like Corona.
yeah, I was gonna say, it doesn't taste like it at all. It
It's
tastes
got
very
like a.
maybe mine didn't have a lime in it.
You want
To
to
be
try
fair,
it?
sure. But it's like,
You can have a shit taco, but you put some lime on there, yeah. We can make this work.
It almost tastes like there's a shot in it. Not like alcohol-wise, but taste-wise.
Some bad seltzer water, malt liquor.
It tastes like malt liquor.
I've been throwing so many good balls.
It's like a weird, like almost like too hearted,
That tastes like Gatorade.
like Gatorade.
That tastes to me. That tastes like Gatorade. Like Gatorade that sat out in the sun.
Gatorade.
Because I'm hungover or for some reason I want a Gatorade.
This
Like,
doesn't
with
taste
lime.
good.
This shot was sponsored by Dos Equis.
Don't buy this.
How honest I am.
No, yeah, I don't like it.
So you don't need any sponsors.
I don't like
No,
it.
I can confirm I don't like this thing.
I don't like it.
It's like sitting in my stomach, in my throat, and I can taste it.
It's a very strange beer and not in a good way. I can't believe that they had such a good marketing campaign. It's like Mad Men. Have you seen Mad Men?